In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Microsoft Word so you can enhance your writing instantly. Whether you're working on an important report or just drafting an email, Grammarly can help you catch errors and improve clarity in your writing. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Office online. Accessing it through your web browser means you don't need to download anything extra, and it offers a seamless way to utilize Microsoft Word and all its features. Once you're there, you'll find the option to open Word. Go ahead and click to start up the application. Next, you'll want to create a space for your writing, so open a blank document. This will be the canvas where Grammarly will work its magic. Preparing your document will set the stage for maximizing Grammarly's capabilities. Now take a look at the home menu within Microsoft Word. This menu is command central for a lot of Word's features, including the add-ins we'll be working with today. From here, navigate to the add-ins section. This is where you'll incorporate Grammarly into your Word setup. Add-ins are essentially enhancements or plugins that expand the functionality of Microsoft Word, making it even more powerful for tasks like writing and editing. So click to open the add-ins option and you'll be presented with a search box. Go ahead and type in Grammarly. This will allow you to locate the Grammarly add-in which you need to proceed further. Once you've found Grammarly in the list of add-ins, you can click on Add. This action integrates Grammarly into your Word application, essentially giving you a virtual writing assistant. As soon as it's added, you'll have access to Grammarly's comprehensive suite of editing tools right there within your Word document. This includes everything from checking for basic spelling mistakes to more advanced suggestions for style and clarity. And that's it! With Grammarly installed, you can start typing away in Microsoft Word, knowing you have a reliable tool helping you polish your writing. Whenever you're crafting a new document or revisiting an older piece for editing, Grammarly will be there to provide insights and corrections, enhancing your writing efficiency and effectiveness. Remember,